Housed within a spectacular 90-foot diameter glass dome, Rainforest exhibit is the largest of its kind in the world, with a temperature of 82 to 85 degrees and humidity at 75% or above. It will instantly transport you to some of the most biodiverse places on the earth.
Watch the life cycle of tropical butterflies and moths unfold before your eyes in Butterfly Emergence Chamber on the top floor of the rainforest. We can see shiny chrysalises and structurally impressive cocoons alongside butterflies stretching their newly formed wings.